Sending a payment link on Revolut is a simple process that allows you to request money from others easily. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your smartphone. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Payments section. Tap on the Payments icon located at the bottom of the screen. Select Request. In the Payments section, find and tap on Request. Enter the amount. Type in the amount you want to request. Choose Payment Link. After entering the amount, select the option to create a payment link. You may need to specify the currency if it's different from your default. Add a description. You can add a short message or description explaining what the payment is for. Generate the payment link. Tap on Generate Link to create the payment link. Share the payment link. Once the link is generated, you can share it through various platforms such as email, SMS, WhatsApp, or any other messaging app. Simply tap on the Share button and choose the desired sharing method. Recipient pays via link. The recipient clicks on the link, which directs them to a secure Revolut payment page. They can complete the payment using their preferred payment method.